Now I'm going to show you 3 ways to apply concealer depending on how much coverage you want. Rihanna created the perfect doe-foot wand to help customize your application. For sheer coverage, you want to use the very tip of the doe-foot to lay down the precise amount of product. Then blend out with your fingertips. For medium coverage, use the edge of the doe-foot to lay down slightly more product. Then blend out with a precision concealer brush. This brush is great for light to medium coverage. For full coverage, use the flat side of the doe-foot for the max amount of product. Then blend with the low precision blending sponge Duo. I love these sponges because they're super soft and they're the perfect size to fit underneath the eyes and in all the little areas that you need that smaller sponge to really get a great blend. Now, to set, I'm going to use Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I'm going to take a little banana, which has a little bit of a brightening color effect, and I'm just going to press this under the eyes just to brighten up and set the under eye area.